All right, guys, I got a piece of poster board right here with some little loops of tape on it. This is the poster board that I get. I get it from Walmart. It has two different sides to it. One side is a soft side, and the other side is like a glossy, shiny side. You see the shine coming off of that? This is the side that we paint on. If we paint on the soft side, the paint's going to soak into it. It's just going to become like, waterlogged like toilet paper. So put the loops of tape on the soft side so that when we flip it over and tape it down, we can paint on the glossy side. The paint that I use is Rust-Oleum paint. They can get this at Walmart or at Lowe's. They both sell it. Doesn't really matter what kind it is, via satin or gloss or high gloss or matte, because we're going to cover this painting at the end in a gloss finish. So all of these finishes aren't really going to matter because we're going to have our own finish on top of it, right? So just pick out the colors you want and get to work. Yeah, sha. New cap. Yeah. Now, if you notice inside of this right here, you see that little black dot? There's a little bit of magenta overspray over it, but that black dot is where the inside of this straw, because there's a straw connecting from in here to the inside of this can. That is the orientation of the bottom of the straw. So the bottom of the straw is right there. So if we spray from this angle and point right at that dot, we're going to be able to spray all the paint out of this can instead of getting burst of just the liquid accelerant inside the can. Right? So we're going to put down some magenta right here. Ooh. Yeah. For some reason, this can's getting real poopy on me. It's like squirting out a bunch of like splatter poops. Yeah. And then on top of that, we're going to put some iris. Just like this. Yeah. Now we're going to take some newspaper and crumpulize it up, then uncrumpulize it up so we got nice and ridges and crinkles and creases on here, so it'll give us texture. Hold it down with one foot. Got a Sonic the Hedgehog sock on. No big deal. You give it a couple of swipes with the backside of your fingertips and peel it off. Shisha. Now we're going to dab it with a clean piece of the newspaper. Dab. Like that. Dab. Each time we dab it, roll it to a new piece of the newspaper. We don't want to be putting paint down, we want to be taking paint off. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now we're going to add some shadow with gloss black. Just going to do a semicircle right here on this side. Just like this. Whoop, shoop, shoop, shoop. Yeah. And while we wait for that to dry, I just wanted to go ahead and put it out there that my whole website on Etsy is 50% off right now. If anyone wants a painting, this would be a nice time to get one. And I'd appreciate it. If not, that's cool too. Let's keep painting. Now that it's all dry, we're going to take a Sha bowl. I get these at Walmart also for 50 cents a piece. There's little plastic bowls. I put a little handle on there with a loop of tape. And we're going to cover it and get a little bit of that shadow underneath the bowl. See? Just like that. Now we'll go ahead and spray everything in gloss black from about 12 inches or so away. We're not too close. If we spray too close, it's going to make a really thick, like, uneven line, and that's going to crawl underneath the bowl. We don't want any puddles. So from a good distance away, so that the spray has a chance to spread out before it hits the paper, right? All the way around, all angles, and then all the sides. Yeah. Nice. Nope. 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 Now you can take any color you want. I'm going to use Oasis Blue, and we're just going to make little swoops across our page, just like this. Whoop. Shaloop. Oh, get that out of the way. Skaloop. Doodly-doo. Shoop, shoop, poop. And aubergine. Same thing. Yeah, 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 sha, yeah, yeah. Now we're going to take some white and barely press on the cap until it starts to poop out some little drips, little stars. Just poop them out. Just like that. All angles. Yeah, yeah. Now we need to shine on the planet. And since we have the shadow on this side, we're going to put the shine on this side with white. Just spray right here on the bowl, and the overspray is going to make a shine. Sha, sha, sha. And the reveal. Sha, sha. Yeah, boy. Nice. Sha, 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 sha. Now, you see from the side how you can tell that there's like different finishes and different layers going on. Once we spray it with the clear gloss, you won't see that. So from far away, we're giving nice even coating all over. Not too much, don't puddle it. Just to bring it all together. Nice. Glossy.